Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fayetteville local and long-distance movers near me. Are you a resident of Fayetteville, Arkansas? Do you plan to move houses or businesses soon? If your answer to both questions is yes, then you need to have a talk with the professional staff from 3 Movers. 3 Movers offers local moving services. By local movers, we refer to moving or shifting from one area to another within the same city, state. This is by far the most active service offered by many a moving firm. The services that we offer at the local level are residential moving, commercial business enterprise moving, and apartment moving. 3 Movers have put up roots in Fayetteville for over a decade. We pride ourselves as being part and parcel of the vibrant business community in Fayetteville. Our homegrown talent is grounded in residents, workers who know the lay of the land and who we are proud to call family. Our personnel are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to deal with all your queries regarding any move you want to make locally. 3 Movers also offers long-distance moving services. The basic definition of a long-distance mover is any vendor who hauls goods across state lines and in some instances across international boundaries. Our services in this bouquet are shipping container movement, automobile movement, storage. A long-distance mover will have access to shipping lines and ports across the continent. Because of the demands that this job offers, the tools and equipment that is deployed are job-specific. Among the tools of the trade used here are cranes and semi-trailers. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.